Interactive Experience Optimization. In ZW3D WuKong 2027, we have added a mouse behavior button. This button supports two button combinations, allowing us to customize mouse gesture habits more flexibly, even completing all view operations with only one hand on the mouse. After opening the Customize Mouse dialog, we can see that the mouse buttons not only support the wheel and single buttons but also add two button combination behaviors. Note, when the modifier key is set to Control/Shift/Alt, the None option in mouse button is unavailable to prevent invalid configuration. When mouse button is set to None, if the modifier key is set to Control/Shift/Alt, the mouse button will automatically switch to middle button, also to avoid invalid configuration. Next, in ZW3D WuKong 2027, we have optimized the interaction experience between the feature tree and the drawing area. In the past, after hiding selected geometry or features in the feature tree or drawing area, only the corresponding solids were hidden, and we did not know which features were managed. But now, after hiding, the corresponding geometry and associated feature nodes in the feature tree are grayed out at the same time. And when we show any one of the hidden features, its associated geometry and feature nodes are ungrayed. We can intuitively determine which features are associated with the current geometry, thereby quickly locating valid features and significantly improving editing efficiency. In addition, in ZW3D WuKong 2027, we have added a feature design editing mode. In the past, we frequently needed to switch filters and locate highlighted geometry objects in the graphics area from the history tree. If we needed to edit or delete a feature, we had to find the specific location of that feature in the history tree one by one. In this new mode, after selecting a geometric object in the graphics area, we can quickly synchronize and highlight the dependent features in the feature tree. And when selecting a single geometric object in the graphics area, a floating toolbar for feature editing appears, allowing us to edit or delete the dependent features.